In this video, you're going to learn about how to use linear with the Claude. So first thing first, we need to connect the linear with the Claude, and also we need to study about its tools and what exactly it can perform in order to, if you're looking for something very complex and complicated while using the Claude, you might not be able to do it right away using the Claude by simply using the connector. You have to solve it by your own, or you have to find a middle way. But other than that, we have 22 tools like command, list issues, and all this stuff. And everything over here is written, the tools that you guys can use. First thing is to connect it using the connector option. Just go to the connectors and click on connect, search linear and click on connect. It will take you to a new menu on the Google Chrome where you will see a new link. You just have to go ahead and click on add, authenticate your Claude account, and then approve the access to Claude is requesting access. So just approve it and you will be able to connect it. Once you have connected, all you have to do is to come back here, ask Claude, hey, using the connector of linear, pull up. For example, if you have any name of the list, let's suppose X, list from X, and analyze it and describe it to me in simple code. So it will do it as commanded, and then you'll be able to use the linear with the Claude. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one.